Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Godot project for touch input. Open project settings, set stretch mode to 2D and aspect to 16:9 so UI scales predictably across screens. Add a canvas layer and a top-level control node anchored full screen. Use child control containers to hold buttons and joystick. Design touch elements at 64px base size for icons. In the control script, plan to handle input event screen touch and input event screen drag events directly. This is the only reliable way to capture multi-touch positions and pointer indices on mobile. Construct the virtual joystick using two texture rects, a background with radius 100px and a knob sprite 48px square layered above. On input event screen touch, record the finger index and set the joystick origin to the touch position. On input event screen drag, move the knob relative to that origin. Compute the offset vector, apply a dead zone of 20px, clamp the knob to the max radius 100px, and normalize the output for consistent movement. Use 0.5 alpha for the background when idle and 1.0 on touch for translate the joystick's normalized vector into player motion by multiplying with a speed scalar, for example 200px/s, and pass it to your player via a signal or direct method call. Filter values through the dead zone so small drifts are ignored, and smooth using linear interpolate when needed to avoid jitter. When the touch lifts, reset the knob to the origin, restore background alpha to 0.5, and send a 0 vector to halt movement. This touch-to-player flow is the only way to maintain reliable mobile controls across Android and iOS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.